key or two technical, so the kind people over at Thinborne was kind enough to send me out their case for my Z Fold 8. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna unbox the Thinborne case because lately these are the kind of cases that I've been rocking on my this is the kind of case I actually use with my Z Fold 7, and I feel like it's gonna be perfect paired with my Z Fold 8. So with this being as short as it is, I don't want to put too many bulky cases on these heavy duty cases because it might make this feel even bulkier than what it already is. It's not bulky, it's lightweight, but I don't want it to get even bulkier. So I'm gonna try to go with thinner cases, but if some companies send me out some thicker cases, I will do videos and try them out. But as of now, this is the case that I have. This is the case that I plan on rocking with this device. And another reason why I like what Thinborne has to offer is because they actually send you a screen protector, and I do not have a screen protector for my device, so now I do have access to a screen protector, and I can go on and put this on my device and keep it covered. This I use Thinborne screen protector with my Z Fold 7, and I had no problems. You do get some adhesive in your wet wipe, and they do have stickers around them, and I do use the stickers. Even if I use other cases, I still do like to use the stickers. And since they sent you over extra stickers, once these get wore out, all you would have to do is just place new stickers on your device and you are good to go. Because you want to keep these expensive devices nice. I don't care. Even if it wasn't that expensive, I would still keep my device nice. Whatever I buy, I like to keep it nice, looking fresh, if I can. So I'm just going to wipe this down real quick. The only thing they did not send me was some dust removable stickers. So we will see how well this goes. But this shouldn't have too much dust, dirt, or grime because I just unboxed it. Let's get it on the phone like so. And let's let it do what it's going to do. Of course, this one has that black rim around it, so you're not getting adhesive everywhere. I believe it's just around the corners, but it's okay. Like I said, I used this on my Z Fold 7 and it worked just fine, no problem. I just took that off today. So we do have some dust under there, and I need to get it out because if not, that is going to bother me to no end. It's like if I cannot get these on perfect, they come off. I have to have these on perfect. I don't have OCD or anything, but I want my screen protector to look like it's that it's no screen protector on the phone. I just want it to look clean. Clean install makes me happy because if it's not clean, I end up taking it off and then that's a waste. And with this, you only get one, so you need to make sure you do it right the first time. And it looks like I got that on there perfect. I'm just going to give it another little wipe down. Just so it can be looking crispier. Okay, cut the screen on, and that is not, see, I don't have it centered right, so let's do that again. That's why I like when they send those applicators, but this should still be good. But I'm still grateful that they include a screen protector, because if he didn't, then I wouldn't have a screen protector in my device and I probably wouldn't be using it just yet. You just play with it until you can get it on there perfectly, but do be careful because the more you lift it up, the better chance of dust, dirt, and grime getting in there, and then it is going to wear off the stickiness. So just be careful, but I think we got it this time. Probably should have had the screen on in the first place so I could get a better feel for it. But I'm just going to work those bubbles out. And if they don't go out now, they will go out later. But to me, I want this perfect, so I'm going to just work on these bubbles right now. And that looks good to me. It is kind of off right here, but that's okay. The case should take care of that. You can't get it perfect, but it feels good, no problem at all. So now let's get that case. So you do have adhesive strips, so you do want to carefully pull those off. I'm only pulling these off because I know this is the case I'm going to rock on here for a while because I don't really have a lot of cases for this device yet. So this is the one for me. Like I said, I do like that thin look overall. So yep, there you go. Just like that. Still some bubbles in there. It's bothering me. But like I said, just give it some time to do what it's going to do. And those bubbles should go away. That's what that front is going to look like. Then let's place on the back. Pull off all these adhesive strips. Usually the backs of cases usually don't need adhesive strips because they stick on there pretty good. But I like that he did include them on there because now it'll give it an even better fit. And that is what that is gonna look like. Looks, feels good. Of course, you don't get any kind of protection around the edges when you open the device up, but that is okay. I'm used to his cases. They do feel nice in the hand. You just want something that feels like you're not rocking anything on the case. You know, if you want something to decorate your phone with a little bit of protection, just a little bit, you're not getting much because you don't really get a lip or anything. But I really pretty much don't drop my phones that much. And your hinge is going to be out. So if you are somebody that doesn't want your hinge showing, then this is not the case for you. But for me, this is perfect. And then I also like to put my MagSafe capable ring on there. Just like that, and I am good to go. So I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this case up for yourself. I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.